Unlock the full potential of Higgsfield AI without spending a dime by mastering the art of earning free credits. Let's dive straight into the most effective strategies for stacking up those complimentary credits. First and foremost, your daily login is your golden ticket. Simply log into your Higgsfield AI account consistently every single day, and you'll be rewarded with a small but steady stream of free credits. Don't underestimate the power of this consistent habit. Next up, engage with the vibrant Higgsfield AI community. Keep an eye out for special community events, challenges, and contests. Participating in these often comes with generous credit rewards for winners and even for commendable efforts from other participants. Higgsfield AI frequently introduces new features or experiments within its ecosystem. Look for opportunities to test these out or provide feedback. Often, you'll find small credit bonuses for actively contributing to the platform's development and improvement. Leverage the power of your network. Higgsfield AI's Referral Program is a fantastic way to earn. Share your unique referral link with friends and colleagues who might be interested in the platform. When they sign up and become active users, you'll both receive credit bonuses. Many platforms, like Higgsfield AI, offer opportunities to earn credits by watching short promotional videos or engaging with sponsored content. Keep an eye out for these watch and earn sections within the platform itself or any officially linked partner applications. By consistently implementing these methods, daily logins, community participation, feature testing, referrals, and optional engagement with partnered content, you'll steadily accumulate free credits. These credits can then be used to unlock exclusive assets, premium features, and truly elevate your Higgsfield AI experience without ever opening your wallet. Start earning today and make the most of your Higgsfield AI journey.